All right, what's going on, you guys? Today we are talking about the DJI Mini 3, and we're going to be going through a tutorial on how to use QuickShots on this drone. I believe DJI QuickShots is the most important feature and the best feature on this drone, so I do believe that it's important to know how to use them properly if you own and fly this drone. When I first started to fly this drone, I figured out how to use QuickShots on my own. It's not the hardest thing to do, but I could have done it faster, and I could have learned QuickShots in a better way than I just, taught myself. So now that I've been flying this drone for 6 months, I just wanted to, help you guys get acquainted with QuickShots faster than I did. So that's what we're going to be talking about today is how to use QuickShots and, how to use them to their full potential. And I think QuickShots is the best way to take your shots to the next level. Let's say you're trying to get a shot and you're flying manually. There's a lot of human error in manual flight that QuickShots removes, so you get more cinematic results that are just smoother and better overall. So today, again, we're going to be going over a tutorial on how to use DJI QuickShots on the DJI Mini 3. All right, there are 5 DJI QuickShots to use on the DJI Mini 3. We have Circle, Helix, Boomerang, Dronie, and Rocket. They're all very useful in their own way to get different types of shots. So those are the 5 QuickShot actions that we're going to be talking about today. Some other DJI models have different QuickShots or additional QuickShots on top of those 5, but those are the 5 that this drone has. So that's what we'll be talking about today. We're going to go out into the field, and I'll show you a screen recording of my remote so I can show you how to get started with the shot, and then we'll also show you the results of what the QuickShots can produce. So that's what we're going to get started with doing. All right, you guys, there are 3 important points I wanted to make about using QuickShots on the DJI Mini 3 before I went out in the field to show you guys how to get the QuickShots started. I wanted to go over these 3 points. The first one being that you do not have to do any manual flight during the QuickShot operation. Like I said, when you're doing those 5 QuickShot modes, or one of the 5 QuickShot modes on this drone, it is flying it completely on its own. So if you were to try to hit the joystick and do some sort of manual operation during the QuickShot, it is going to cancel the QuickShot right then and there. There's 2 ways to cancel the shot, and it is touch the joystick or hit the red X that is on the screen when you are doing the QuickShot operation. So just so you know, it is going to do the entire QuickShot on its own, no manual flight involved. The second point that I wanted to make about QuickShots is that they are going to only be able to capture video. When you're doing the operation, whether it's any of those 5, you're only going to be able to capture video. Now you can set the video, you can obviously change the resolution if you want to shoot in 2.7 or 4K, whatever it may be. You can change that on the controller, but when you do the QuickShot, it is only going to capture video, and you can go through, of course, in post and grab stills from that if you want pictures, but QuickShots are only going to capture video. And the third point is that if you are doing one of the QuickShot actions and you cancel it mid-operation, the drone is still going to save whatever video has been captured up to that point. Remember, for the DJI Mini 3, that there is no internal storage, so you do have to have an SD card put here in the back of the drone. That's just a little side note. But sometimes, I've noticed this a lot, sometimes you don't want the whole QuickShot's worth of footage, especially if you're doing like a large orbit. You just want a section of it. You can go ahead and start the QuickShot and then cancel it at any point, and it will save the footage up to that point. So it's a very useful feature that you don't have to let the whole QuickShot develop to capture that footage. You can just do little bits and pieces and cancel at any point and still capture that footage. So those are my 3 points that I think super useful when using QuickShots that aren't super easy to find online. So make sure you remember those 3 points when you're using QuickShots. All right, first thing you're going to want to do is, get the drone up and get whatever subject you want your QuickShot to be done in regard to. Get that centered in the frame best you can to get everything in position for the QuickShot. All right, now that we're in position, we're going to go to our camera mode button there on the right hand side. We're going to tap that, and we're going to choose the QuickShot option to enter QuickShot mode. And once we do that, you'll see the list of available QuickShots on this drone, and each one comes with a short little caption and video demonstration of how it works. You'll see the 5 that I mentioned earlier: Dronie, Rocket, Circle, Helix, and Boomerang. Now we're going to select a subject. Here I'll be selecting myself. You just have to tap and drag around the subject. Then you'll choose a direction to start the quick shot and simply hit the start button on the right hand side and the quick shot will execute on its own. You can choose a variety of different subjects that the drone will pick up on. Here I'm going to select this tree and it selects it just fine. And then I'm going to move on and select an entire townhouse building, and again it selects it and it will execute the quick shot all on its own. Alright, now that I've been out in the field to show you guys how to select the subject and get your quick shot set up, I'll show you a quick demo of each one, and then I'm going to go ahead and include in this video some of my favorite shots that I've gotten with the DJI Mini 3 using QuickShots, so you guys can see what kind of shots can be produced using this feature on the DJI Mini 3. Alright y'all, that's it for the video. I really hope that this tutorial on how to use DJI QuickShots on the Mini 3 was helpful, and if it was, please don't forget to leave me a comment down below and subscribe for more content. And if you didn't find this helpful, well, I'd still love to hear a comment as to why you didn't like the video. But most of all, thanks for watching y'all.